Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a chatbot on Facebook Messenger with Dialogflow, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy a chatbot on Facebook Messenger using Dialogflow, start by creating your Dialogflow account. Visit the Dialogflow website and sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, click on Create Agent to initiate a new project. Fill in the required fields such as the agent name, default language, and time zone. Click on Create to set up your new agent. Next, navigate to the Build tab to begin designing your chatbot's intents. Click on Create Intent to define the first interaction your chatbot will handle. Provide a name for the intent, such as Greeting Intent. Add training phrases that users might say when they initiate the conversation, like hello or hi there. Scroll down to the Responses section and add the corresponding replies your chatbot will give. After completing the intent, save your work by clicking on the Save button. Next, go to the Integrations tab to connect your Dialogflow agent to Facebook Messenger. Find the Facebook Messenger integration option and click the toggle to enable it. You will be prompted to set up a Facebook application if you haven't done so already. Visit the Facebook developer portal and create a new app. Select the business option when prompted for app type. Once the app is created, note the app ID and app secret for future reference. Return to the Dialogflow integrations page and enter the app ID and app secret as required. Follow the prompts to link your Facebook page to the Dialogflow agent. This typically requires you to log into your Facebook account and grant necessary permissions. After connecting your Facebook page, scroll to the webhook section in the Messenger integration. Set up a webhook URL which Dialogflow will use to communicate with your bot. Use a service like Grok to expose your local server, or host your webhook on a secure public server. Once the webhook is set up, return to the Dialogflow console and copy the provided verification token. Back in the Facebook developer portal, navigate to the Messenger settings for your app. Paste the verification token in the appropriate field to verify the webhook. Now, go back to your Dialogflow agent and test your chatbot using the built-in simulator. Type in one of the training phrases to see how your chatbot responds. Make adjustments to any intents as needed based on your testing experience. Once satisfied with the chatbot's performance, deploy the changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.